What cures acid reflux and GERD? Well, nothing. Medication doesn't cure acid reflux and GERD. Antacids don't cure it. Supplements don't cure it. Nissen fundoscopic surgery does not cure hiatal hernia or acid reflux and GERD. None of those things do. In fact, the outcomes for antacids, omeprazole, medications, PPIs, and also surgery are awful. They're actually below 50%. There is something that does have a 93% success rate. And it's an old osteopathic technique called the hiatal hernia manipulation maneuver or technique. And I've been practicing it for 25 years, but I didn't see an issue until during COVID. I saw that just a huge spike in hiatal hernias and acid reflux. So I created a patented device called the Reflux Shield. And that device is based off of all of the research in the osteopathic technique. And it's on my website, refluxshield.com. You'll see the research behind the Reflux Shield. And it's not a cure. Nothing cures hiatal hernia, but hiatal hernia is a chronic condition. It's a mechanical issue. That's why surgery and medication and supplements don't fix it or cure it, right? And again, the Reflux Shield doesn't cure it, but what it does is it gets to the root cause, which is the stomach herniating up through the diaphragm, compromising the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing acid to come up into the throat in the esophagus. So the Reflux Shield pulls that stomach down. It's the only device that does that, that gets to the root cause, and then it alleviates all your symptoms. 93% success rate, higher than medication, higher than antacids, and definitely higher than surgery without all the side effects. There are no side effects, zero side effects. Make sure you check out your Reflux Shield today. We ship worldwide and there's a money back guarantee. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.